Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Autowatch Ghost on a really lovely Lexus RX 450 hybrid. How the system works is someone was to clone this key or jump in and start, well, obviously with the key in their hand. As soon as they start it, this is what would happen. So let's just start the vehicle. It's gone to ready. As soon as we select a gear, you'll see shortly the vehicle will cut out. Okay, there you go, vehicle's cut out. So now, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, what the customer has to do, turn it off. What the customer has to do is tap the start button twice, and then does his push sequence. On here we've done something very basic just for video purposes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get a double bleep from the security light. There you go. And then we can start the vehicle. Okay. Vehicle's gone to ready. And we're now able to select a gear. There you go. Also, if the customer wants to take the car for a service, this is also very simple. And the way he would do that is basically tap the start button twice, as normal. Insert his push sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bleep from the security light. And then hit the rear dim mister 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get 5 flashes. So now this is in service mode, which means the customer can actually take it for a service, give it to a car wash, doesn't have to disclose the code. When he gets the vehicle back, basically tap the start button twice, insert his code, 1, 2, 3, 4, double bleep, double flash. There you go. And it will jump out of value mode. Also, finally, if the customer wanted to change the code, this is straightforward to do on this particular Autowatch. So tap the start button twice. Insert your push sequence. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bleep, double flash. Foot to the floor on the accelerator. Okay. Repeat the same code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. As the security light starts to flash, let go of the accelerator. Now do your push sequence. On here we're going to go, just say down, up, down, up. Wait for 3 bleeps to confirm the code. And then repeat the code again. So down, up, up. Get a double bleep, double flash. That's now the new code. So now if we wait 10 seconds, we'll try the old code. And then we'll try the new code. Been about 10 seconds now, so start button on. Old code, 1, 2, 3, 4. No double bleep, no double flash. So obviously the code has now been changed. Let's try the new code. So main ignition on. New code, down, up, up. Double bleep, double flash. There you go, start the vehicle. Really simple, really straightforward. Okay. As I said, this is the Autowatch Ghost 2 on the Lexus RX 450 hybrid. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much, bye-bye.